Scalping is easy once you learn these 10 simple rules.
Rule number 3, I personally always enter a trade the right way. You need to combine time frames so you can get a clear picture of the markets. And doing this will help you finish the day not only earlier, but also with a higher probability trade. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go look at a real example of exactly how to combine time frames so you can understand how to actually get the most high probability trades. Okay, so on this example, we're on SPY or ES, and what we can see here is this is the daily time frame. So when I'm looking at the higher time frames, this is how I do it. I'll go to the daily first, then I'll go to the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and then I'll skip on over to the 1-minute time frame. So in this example here, we can see this is the daily, and really what we want to see is what is going on. As we can see on the daily time frame, this stock is actually gapping up for the day. So what we can do is mark out the low of the stock and we can mark out the high of the stock. So this is the high and low of the daily time frame. Now let's go over to the 4-hour, and on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the stock is actually gapping up. We then had a flat top and showing even more strength coming into the day. So what does that already tell me? Well, it tells me that the higher time frame is actually primed for a move to the upside. Therefore, going into the day, even scalp trading, I will not be looking for a short position. The whole higher time frame is going to the upside, and therefore I will also be looking to go to the upside on this name. Now, once again, you can see here the 1-hour time frame telling us the exact same thing, that pre-market here, which is the gray shaded area, we are breaking to the upside above this 583 level or the previous day high, and now we are simply on the 1-minute time frame. All we need to see on the 1-minute time frame is as long as the stock is above this previous day high, we need to look for an uptrend, and we can look for a potential entry on this name. So far here, you can see that this stock is actually breaking to the upside. However, what is the last retest level that it would come to? One of the setups that we have within our arsenal of setups is going to be the 1 candle rule, meaning the last down close candle in an uptrend will be used as support. Therefore, if the stock comes back into this area now, we can be looking for that retest back to the upside. So let's see how this name plays out. And just like that, you can see the strong price action right here showing that buyers are aggressively stepping up back in this 1 candle rule. We can look to enter the trade here. Our stop loss would simply be a break of the 1 candle rule. And here we can target this 585 whole psychological number. This would be our profit target right here. Let's enter into a buy position and let's see exactly what happens. And as you can see here, we made $940. It is only 9:56 a.m. The market opens at 9:30 a.m. So within